What's going on, guys? We are headed to Sloppy Mechanics to get the buggy finally dialed in. We stopped by, picked up a new marketing partner. Power Mist is a local performance fuel company near us. So we are going to be running a mixture of 102, or I think it's 102, mixed with regular pump gas, just because some places we go doesn't have 93. So if we're going to a race, we're going to put it in. If we are just wreck wheeling, we're probably going to cut down the additive a little bit because I can get 93. So, but some places only have like 91 or 87 even. So we are all loaded down. Eric Swenson's tires are still going along for the ride. I had to take the ones off the trailer because I don't know if I need rollers to go on the dyno. So we have a jack. One thing that we should talk about is when you go places like to the dyno, make sure that you bring stuff, like bring a jack, bring these, make sure you have your special socket to take off these lug nuts. I've got the basic tools I know that we probably will need, and if not, I also have them in these. So basically I have everything with me that we could possibly ever need. I'm gonna bring extra gas, stop at a gas station, make a mixture. Thank you, Kelly, half a gypsy on Instagram, for letting us use the trailer because our single axle trailer still haven't had time. So yeah, we're gonna go get this thing finally dyno tuned. We kind of messed up the body panel. Sorry, Warren and Innovative, but we're gonna roll like that because the most part is still good. So we're gonna roll with that for now, and we are gonna head out. If anything interesting along the way, of course I'll film it, but wish us luck, and I'll see you at the dyno.
Yeah, I only went to like 5100. It looks like I only hit 66% throttle too. Because I think I hit both. It felt like it stopped, but I think I hit the brake pedal. So now I gotta like
I lean my foot against the wall.
Oh, my ankle just hit the thing. Jesus.
Yeah. Like I say to people, these things are built for purpose, not for comfort.
Oh, yeah.
Like this only got a 2 1/4 inch exhaust on it, because that's all I could fit. But like my argument is, a long tube header is probably this long, and what is that, 1.5 inches?
Yeah.
1.7/8.
You can make a ton of power on 2-inch, 2.5 inch.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Pretty quiet though.
It's nice, yeah. Normally they have fucking open headers to make like regular.
So it made 227, but like Matt said, it's doesn't really mean much because
all the reduction and crazy shit going on. I don't know all of the reasoning, but they never make what you would think.
But 227 is pretty good.
It's fantastic for one of these, yeah.
Sweet.
We can.
It's working good. It's got plenty of power. So shout out to whoever made my motor, because it's good.
Loretta James assembled this thing while chewing gum and watching Netflix. She got her done.